Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, we're going to do some stuffed bell peppers. We're going to do them on the Weber kettle. Hopefully it's going to be delicious. Here's our lineup. We got some salt and pepper. We got some Rotel. We got some ground mustard, pickled pepper sauce, which I added 3 tablespoons of each over here. That'll be our little glaze for the top later. I got 3 bell peppers that I've halved and seeded. I got a Serrano back there that I diced, a half of a medium onion diced, and a half of one of those bell peppers that I diced up over there. Got some panko, some minute rice, and some water, and some Velveeta cheese. Let's get this cook going next. You know it's getting serious when the old yellow Tupperware bowl comes out. You know you're mixing some stuff up. So our protein, there's a pound and a half of 80-20 ground beef and a pound of Italian sausage. I'm going to give that a little pre-mix up and we'll start adding our ingredients. Let's get going. Generous amount of salt and pepper, which I got added all in one place there, like so. I got some garlic powder right here, decent dose of that on there, like so. And we'll start adding, dumping stuff. Our one Serrano goes into the mix. Our onion, our bell pepper, and I didn't have an egg. I don't have an egg in the fridge, so we're not using an egg today. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. Our cup of minute rice. Don't be using regular rice. You'll be sorry. You'll have little hard granules in there by the time you're done with this. Let's go with our cup of Panko. And our whole can of Rotel, juice and all. 1 cup water. Now we're going to get in there and do the little mix up. A couple other things we need to add. Cheese. If you want to add cheese, add cheese. If you don't. 2 cups. There's 1 cup of cheese. That should be good. I do want to add a little bit of this pickled pepper sauce, kind of like Worcestershire. It's got some clove in it. It's got a little sweetness to it. It's really good stuff. Give it a try if you see it. Not too much, like so. Now I've got everything in there, and it's freaking a little colder out here than I thought today. I'm like sniffing. My nose is running. Here we go. Just gonna mix that all in there. Best way to do this is use your hands, your impeccably clean hands. All right, I'm going to continue mixing. We'll be back. We'll stuff some peppers. All right, just show you on a couple of our bell peppers here. I mean, it's easy. We've got all the seeds out of those. They're looking good. Got our mixture over here. We got it nice and mixed up. All you want to do is stuff your pepper. So there's a mixture into our pepper. I like to get a good mound in it, like so. Do another one quick here. You're going to probably have more stuffing than you got peppers, and that's okay. I'm just going to make some little meatballs on the side. If not, cut this down to your family's liking and go from there. All right, let's get the Weber grill kettle fired up and get these cooking. All right, we got our coals lit. We're using the Vortex today. We're going to try to keep this around 375 to 400. That way it's kind of 350 around the grill gate. Great. You can definitely do these at home in your oven too. Probably 350 for around an hour. So you get your peppers around your Vortex, so it kind of works like an oven there. Obviously your big heat's going to be right in the middle here. And if you're going to sear something off, that would be a good place to do it when you're done cooking it. All right, we're going to get the rest of them on, get the lid on, and start cooking them. All right, we're about, I'd say 20-25 minutes in. That's what we're looking at. We're running around 375. They're looking delicious. All right, I'll probably move them around a little bit and get the lid back on it. Go another 30 more. All right, everybody, we're about 45 minutes in. Let's see where we're at here. Ooh, starting to look delicious, aren't they? Been running around 375. So let's do a little check here, see where we're at temp-wise inside. Looks like we're 131. We're all about the same. All right, looking good. Our peppers are starting to get there. They're getting nice and soft for us. We'll give them another rotate. Let them go. Another 15 more. All right, here we are. We're about at the hour mark. And we're done. They're running around, I don't know, 150, 155. My last reading I did like 2 minutes ago. We got our little topping. Let's go ahead and glaze some of that on each one, like so. Not gonna do them all, but you get the point. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get that set on there. We're gonna put the lid on. We'll bring it back and we'll do some plating. All right, we put our little glaze on top, and these bad boys are done. Look at how delicious those look. I tell you what, they're gonna taste just as good as they look. Just a little over an hour, running around 375 to 400 on our kettle. You can definitely do this in the oven. They're looking good. They're looking delicious. Let's get them off there. We'll run over and do a taste test. All right, folks, there's our finished product. Looking good, doesn't it? Got our pepper done. Got our glaze with our stone ground mustard and our pickled pepper sauce. Let's cut into this bad boy. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Steaming right out of there. Get a little of that pepper. A little bit of our mixture. Oops. Got the peppers in there. You got the peppers on the outside. A little bit of heat from that Serrano. Oh, tasty. Your Rotel. See how nice and moist everything stayed in there? Now that is a stuffed pepper you should be doing. You'll absolutely do it at home in your oven. Make it your own. Put in whatever you like. Thanks for watching Cooking with Corey. We'll see you next week. Have a great one.